Oh, Alice, what are you riding? Oh my goodness! Whoa. Where are we going, Alice? The choo-choo train to see who? Yeah. Oh,
My
I'm
sixth
so
sense
excited.
is going off up here. I'm detecting something.
The very first thing we did when we got here is we headed over to the train that goes to see Santa. So line was pretty small. It was a Tuesday, so maybe that's why. But we got on the train and we headed over here, and we are now in a pretty short line waiting to see Santa. And as you can see, there's a lot going on in here, a lot to look at. So I'm not bored. It's a pretty fun time in line.
Here at Santa Station at Santa's Wonderland, we're having a great time tonight. We've got Santa, we've got the post office, which is here behind me, where kids can write a letter to Santa. They can also go over to Tinsel's house, which is over here, and find out if they're on the nice or naughty list. You don't want any surprises when you're going to see Santa.
Awesome. And the best part is adults, only one adult has to stay in line. So, yes.
That's right. One adult
Big
can stay
win.
in line, and the kids can go jump on our bounce house. They can come write the letters or go see Tinsel. They can also go sing over there in the middle if they want to go sing a carol. They're welcome to go do that. He's got a mic just for kids to join him.
Awesome. Thank you so much. You're
Wave to everybody. Wave to everybody on the train. Big waves. Big waves. Hi, raise your arms.
Well, the hayride was a success. It was really, really cool. The line, we did end up waiting quite a bit at the end, but it moves fast. You guys, tip. The hayride gets really cold. Like, yeah, I know, it's a hayride. They're moving like 2 miles an hour, but it gets cold. So we're about to go warm up by the fire and enjoy the band before we call it a night.
There was a bingo celebration. Everybody getting